it's Angela and Carol here. We've got some really exciting news that we're both bursting to share with you today. Carol and I met through YouTube and our love of crafting, and we now have a really wonderful friendship. As you can imagine, when we get together, it's just wall-to-wall nattering about crafting and journals. You'll all know what it's like when crafters get together. And we do know so many of you too through YouTube and the lovely kind comments and support you give us both. But we'd like to get to know you even better. We'd like to meet you and spend some time with you too.
So we decided some time ago that we wanted to get together to run a series of workshops that we could do just that, get to know you, and also to do what we all love most, and that is craft and natter about crafting. So Angela and I put our heads together to think about what our perfect workshop would be like and to try to make that happen in the workshops that we want to run ourselves. We've chosen a really beautiful venue here in Lancashire that we think is going to be perfect for our workshop. It's really nice and comfy environment for us to craft in during the day with some really pleasant accommodation just within minutes of the venue, and actually some wonderful craft galleries literally on the doorstep. If you love rummaging for vintage items for your journals, and let's face it, who doesn't, then there's even a place that has 6 warehouses full of antiques and bric-a-brac that is truly a paradise for us journalers, and it's less than literally 5 minutes away from where we will be holding the workshop.
We've some great projects for you to create with us in both our unique styles that we hope will inspire you as well. There's nothing worse than feeling under pressure during a workshop or to be working against the clock, so we've decided to have our workshop spread over a couple of days. There will be plenty of time to craft and get inspired in a relaxed atmosphere, and lots of time to have crafty natters with both Carol and myself. Obviously, COVID is a worry for us all, but we will be following all the COVID guidelines to the letter, and we'll make sure that it's a safe crafting environment for us all. In the event that we have to cancel the workshop fees will be fully refundable to you.
So very briefly, those are the details of the workshop. The location, the workshop dates, and the cost, together with an email address that you need to write to secure a place, are going to be detailed in the description box below the video or underneath the video. Please, please, please don't email any other address, just the one that's listed in the description box below the video. Due to COVID, places are going to be restricted on the workshop, so there'll only be 20 places available. So we will take the first 20 emails requesting a place on the workshop, plus a few other names for a reserve list in the event that somebody has to drop out. If you've not heard back within 48 hours of emailing, I'm sorry, you won't have secured a place on the workshop.
We really hope that you're going to join us on our workshop. We're so excited about it and the chance to meet up with you. And if this one is successful, we will most definitely be hosting a few more.
You would not believe just how excited we've been planning this over the last few months. And now that COVID has lifted, we just couldn't wait to share this with you. So we really do hope that you're going to join us on our workshop.
Thank you so much, guys. We look forward to hearing from you and hopefully seeing you very soon.
Bye, everybody. Bye.